Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a radio button list view in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. This is a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. Also, we have a variable that stores which radio button is selected. In the init function, we keep the first element of the list selected by default. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the listview.builder widget. The item count is set to the number of items in the ABCD alphabet list. Inside the item builder, we design how an individual item of the list view would look like. First of all, we have a column widget. The first item in the column is a row widget. Inside the row, we have a text widget that acts as the name of the radio button. The value comes from the ABCD list. Then we have a radio button. Its value comes from the ABCD list. When the radio button is selected, we store it in the selected value variable. Then we have a divider widget. This will create a line separation between two elements of the list view. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a radio button list view in Flutter Android. Thank you.